To better enable the digital consumer, the retail industry is embarking on one of the biggest changes since the original introduction of the barcode: the adoption of 2D barcodes to support you in your engagement with industry partners. We're pleased to share with you a new 2D pilot toolkit. The goal of the pilot toolkit is to provide you with a set of practical and relevant building blocks to start pilots, including useful tools, checklists and templates, as well as case studies and best practice from existing 2D pilots and implementations around the world. So let's look in more depth at the kit. The toolkit is divided into 5 sections that aspire to provide guidance on 2D pilot planning and execution. The Why section highlights business use cases that can be unlocked. The What section provides thoughtful considerations for defining the pilot scope. The Who section will help you identify internal and external stakeholders to engage for support and expertise. The How section provides resources you can leverage and will guide you with preparing a successful pilot. The last section, Reporting and Learning, provides tools to capture your learning and share your results. Now let's take a quick look at the key elements within each section. Why? There are many different business use cases that can be enabled by 2D barcodes and the power of more data. Within the toolkit are more than 24 use cases identified, along with real-world examples. There are also multiple support tools for determining the benefit and cost logistics, so you can build KPIs and set priorities for your pilot. What? The next step that the pilot toolkit provides is guidance for identifying scope elements. These elements include geography and product selection, barcode and data scope, the value chain impacts, and other broad pilot implementation decisions such as duration and processes. Also included are examples and key learning from previous pilots to help you set your pilots up for success. Who? It's more important to identify and align cross-functional, internal and external stakeholders. Depending on your use cases and scope, subject matter experts and supporting executives internally could be from a variety of disciplines, and each of these stakeholders will need to be aligned and engage with your appropriate counterparts and your external partners participating in the pilot. Within the toolkit, you'll find some key learnings on stakeholder management from previous pilots that can enrich your pilot planning. How? Projects usually include 4 phases: discovery, prepare and mobilize, execute, and report and learn. The sections of the pilot toolkit map nicely to these phases. Discovery is achieved in the Why section. Prepare and mobilize are addressed in the What and Who sections. Execute is addressed by acting on your plan created through the How section, and of course report and learn to share pilot progress and learning. The How section of this toolkit identifies actionable elements for each of these spaces, as well as comprehensive, robust tools to use such as checklists, templates, reference resources, and case studies specific to the task at hand. Reporting and learning. This 2D pilot toolkit is a living document, expanding as we learn more, so it's essential for pilot learnings to be shared to help other industry companies jumpstart their 2D piloting and accelerate adoption. To that end, the toolkit contains different templates available to capture and share your 2D pilot facts, learnings, and benefits. As you can see at a glance, the 2D Pilot Toolkit is a comprehensive resource with the structure, resources, tools, and best practices for you to engage with partners and develop a successful pilot.